Osmo Action 5 Pro System Settings. This video introduces the system settings of Osmo Action 5 Pro. Swipe down from the top of the screen to enter the control menu. Custom Mode. Tap the icon to save the current shooting mode, shooting parameters, EIS mode, and image parameters as a custom mode and tag with unique sports scene. You can then quickly select the custom mode for the corresponding scene. Quick Switch. Tap the icon to set a voice prompt and set the modes accessible with the Quick Switch button. When voice prompt is enabled, the camera will broadcast the shooting mode once the Quick Switch button is pressed to change the mode. When the camera is installed on a helmet or other hard-to-see locations, users can accurately select the required mode with voice prompt. Brightness. Tap and slide to adjust the brightness. System settings. You can set snapshot, single screen preview, wireless mic, USB mode, timecode, and more. Orientation lock. Tap to switch between automatic orientation and locked orientation. Screen lock. Tap to lock the screen. Swipe up on the touchscreen to unlock the screen. Voice control. Tap to enable voice control in order to control the camera with set voice commands.
Start recording.
Voice control is useful in sports scenarios where you are unable to control the camera with your hands, such as when cycling or skiing. Full front screen. Tap to enable or disable full screen display on the front screen.